Mail call, Seductive Soles coming at you. New pickup. Got the Yeezy Boost 700s Wave Runners. Just came in the mail right now. Go ahead and get into this first hand look. I already split the box open, so speed up the process. On top of the box, of course, it says 700. On the side, it says Boost. Insert, slide insert. Adidas Yeezy Boost 700. Just slide out, pull out for that to insert. On the inside, of course, the paper is wrapped. The shoes come wrapped. Get into these Wave Runners. This is my first pair of 700s. I've been getting lucky being able to get the Yeezys. Smooth, sleek look. Bunch of the colors that they make them out of, they all blend together. Few parts you have mesh, suede, nubuck, whatever you want to call it, tumbled, however you say it. The midsole is the thing that gets me. The midsole is so big. I put on the 500s, the utility blacks. Didn't feel like there was enough shoe for me, like it was all sole. It was all midsole, no upper. And the back shot, 3 dots. Of course, these are Adidas, as you can see. Yeezy Boost 700. And that mesh. Supposedly these are real comfortable. I'll find out sooner or later one day when I un-DS them. But quality check, as far as I can tell. Not a lot of mess ups. Don't see a lot of glue stains. No creases in the midsole. Things like that usually happen. Got the tags. They come with the tags, of course. They give you the rundown of all the sizes, how they fit. Yeezy Boost 700. This is a size 11 in the US, so it's a 10.5 in the UK. Everything right there. I don't know if you can see in there, Adidas. Yellow laces, something different. Gotta be different to stand out, I guess. I don't know if that's the insole. Usually the insole say Yeezy Boost on them. I can't tell that far. Can't see in that far. Bottom sole. Plain and simple. Just black, white. Air pockets, but you still got your foam inserts. That's his signature. Foam inserts like on the 350s where you can see them through the bottom of the midsole or the sole. But yeah, first hand look. Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runners, just got them in the mail. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.